The Farnborough International Airshow 2024 is here. Join us from July 22nd to 26th for an unforgettable experience in aerospace, defense, and space. FIA 2024 showcases cutting-edge innovations and top minds in aerospace. Whether you're an industry professional or an aviation enthusiast, this event promises excitement and insights into the future of flight. Why choose transit for your transportation needs at FIA 2024? Here's why. Pre-book your transit taxi, specifying your pickup location, including airports like Heathrow or Gatwick, and drop off at the Farnborough International Exhibition and Conference Center. We understand the importance of punctuality. Our experienced drivers will ensure you arrive at FIA on time and relaxed. Our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to answer your questions or adjust your booking as needed. See you at Farnborough International Airshow 2024. Book your ride with transit today for a hassle-free experience.